Now we're going to create assembly 3. Hopefully you're getting the hang of this now. We have to go up and start a new assembly. And we're going to place our blocks in the assembly. So I click place and then I look for my parts. And in assembly 3, I need 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. Right click done. And I need the cube with the hole in it. And I just need one of those. And I need 2 triangular prisms. Right click done. Okay, and this one right here is the one that does not move. It's the first one that I placed in, so I'm going to build around that one. And I need this to be in front but laying on its side. So I'm going to constrain. And I'd like to get it laying on its side first. So I'm going to click on the top of it and tell it to be flush with this face, and then it turns to its side. Apply, and as long as I have it on flush, I'm going to flush the 2 tops. Apply, and now I need to be able to get inside there because it's not mated yet. So I'm pulling it away, constrain, it's on mate. I want those 2 faces mated, and apply. Okay, this one is going to go behind this block, so I'll mate them first. Apply and flush the 2 tops. Apply, flush the 2 sides, and apply. Okay, I have these 3 pieces all set. Now I need the triangular prism in front of this cube, but I need the slant facing down here. So the back of the triangular prism is going to be mated with this face. I'll change my command to mate and click on that face and mate it with the back and apply. Okay, then I need to flush the 2 bottoms and apply. And let's see, what can I do? I can flush this face with this face. Make sure I'm not choosing that triangle there. And apply. Okay, now that's in place. This triangular prism is supposed to go behind this one. So let's close this. I'm going to move this out of my way. And I'm constraining and mate this back side of the cube with the hole in it with the back of my triangular prism, and apply. Flush the bottoms, change it to flush, apply, and back to the front. I need these 2 faces flush and apply, and that's in place. This one is attached just as you see it there. I'm going to mate this face of the triangular prism with the back of this cube and apply. And now I need to flush, and I want, let's see, I want the bottoms flushed but now I need it lined up so that this is right here. It knows where to be. There's a number of things I could do. I can flush this face right here with the back of this face. That should be lined up then. Or I could choose two faces that are going in the same direction and tell it to move back an inch. And I think I'll do that. Flush. This face and this face is the same direction, but I don't want it up there. I want back there. So remember this offset command. I'm going to tell it to move 1 inch back. And there it went. Apply. Okay, that's in place. And my last cube, this one, goes behind this cube right here. So I'm going to change it to mate and connect the two faces. Apply and flush. Apply and flush and apply. And I'll close this, get my home position, and make sure nothing is moving. And nothing is moving. And now you need to save that in your folder as Assembly 3.